I know it's been a year, maybe even more, since you tended to your garden. So stay tuned. Your garden is going to love all the TLC that is in this video. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Now, I've done the spring video, I have done the Easter video. I cannot escape this next video. This video is the top 4 gift categories on what to get the gardener or the potential gardener in your life. But hold up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what is one thing you want to grow in your garden. It could be a fruit, it could be a vegetable, it could be a flower. Just keep it sensible, you know. Don't go wilding out in my comment section, please. But comment down below. So we're going to sit back, relax, and you know we're about to get onto this. All the gifts and activities mentioned in this video are going to be in the description box below. Let's go. Some of those tools may be a little rusty or broken, or you just can't find them. Don't worry, I got you covered. With this personalized garden tote, you're going to be able to not only find your tools, but have a special place to put them. And as messy as gardening can be, and as much as some people want to avoid getting dirty, this apron is going to make sure that dirt don't leave a stain on you. Sometimes it can get tedious to water your plants. Put some fun while adding that life back into your plants with the watering can made especially for you. Now, there is nothing like beautiful flowers and vegetables in your garden, but to add a little more color, a little more vibrancy to your garden, let's bring a personalized touch to it. There are so many different types, colors, shapes, sizes of garden flags out there. Whether you just want to keep it simple, show the world what you love to do and where you love to be, or you want to complement all the bees, flowers, and spring to your garden, there's always going to be a personalized garden flag out there for you. Garden flags are fun and everything, but let's just step it up a notch. Add garden stones. Now, these are not your average throw across the river laying in a pile of dirt stones. These have meanings behind them. They can have your favorite pictures, names of your favorite loved ones, or just look beautiful in your garden. Either way, they're always going to bring that L you need for that TLC in your garden. As much as your garden needs the TLC, we can always bring a little of that TLC on the inside too. Now, it doesn't have to be a full-blown garden. You can always just hang plants from room to room, have a mini flower pot here or there, or just have one special flower pot to remind you that you are loved and cared for. With any new season comes new opportunities and activities to do. And why not have these activities in the springtime? Why not create your own patio garden or sunflower garden? Now, if you're not into the whole flower theme, there is a desert garden. All the descriptions are going to be in the description box below about what these gardens are all about. If you do have kids in your life, why not make a bird feeder or a butterfly puddle hut? I know you're like, what? What is that? Don't worry, it's in the description box too. The point is just to enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Gigi out. Turn that fan off in the background. See if y'all can hear it. I hope not. Cheer in your garden. Could be a vegetable or flower, anything. But what is one thing you want to grow? Keep it sensible, y'all. Okay. Spring is blooming. Are you ready for it? Like truly ready for it? Inside and out? Don't worry, I got exactly what you need so that all of the flowers are going to be eyeing you. My springtime video is up next.